I'm about to show you the step-by-step process for making videos for one of the best faceless niches on YouTube. You can get millions of views and make thousands of dollars a month with this niche, all while never showing your face on camera or even recording your own voice. And you won't even have to do the hard work yourself, because we're going to be using some shortcut AI tools that will do everything for you and create the videos in minutes. I'll show you the whole process for setting up a faceless YouTube automation channel in the documentaries niche from the beginning. Start with our plan. So again, we're diving into the documentary niche. The main goal with this niche is to help people learn something with a cool video that is informative and also very engaging. Have a look at this channel here. Magnates Media is one of my favorite documentaries channel on YouTube. They upload awesome documentaries about business stories, have over 1 million subscribers, and are making around $10,000 a month, according to Social Blade. And that's just through ad revenue. They also have brand deals and sponsorships, so it's definitely more than what we're seeing here. We want to replicate something like this in terms of how the scripts are written and the general style. We'll start by consistently uploading content. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will approve us into their partner program. From there, YouTube will pay us for every video we upload based on how many views we get. The more we upload and the more views we attract, the more money we'll earn. Let's break it down step by step. First, set up your own YouTube channel. It's like having your own TV station on the internet. Head to YouTube, click Create a New Channel, choose a name related to your niche, and there you have it. But we need it to look good too. That's where Canva comes in. It's a free website where you can design graphics. Search for YouTube logo and YouTube banner, select ones you like, and customize them to make your channel stand out. Super simple. Let's head to YouTube Studio, your channel's control center. There, you can upload your logo and banner. Don't forget to write a short bio explaining what your channel is all about. This helps viewers know what to expect. Once you're happy, hit publish and your channel is set up. But wait, we need videos to watch, right? That's where your documentary content comes in. Now, when it comes to choosing what to talk about in your videos, it's really important to pick something you're passionate about. This makes the process enjoyable instead of feeling like work. You can talk about anything you like, maybe historical events, cultural traditions, or something entirely unique. Just make sure it's a topic you love discussing. If you're not sure what topics to pick, you can use ChatGPT. Just give it a prompt, and it will give you plenty of ideas to choose from. Once you've decided on your topic, it's time to create a script. And with the documentary niche, it's similar to writing a story. Your script should be interesting and hold your viewers' attention. Don't worry if writing isn't your strong suit, because ChatGPT can help you. Just ask it for ideas or even have it write parts of your script for you. If you ever need more content for your videos, ChatGPT is there to help. Ask it to expand on a section of your script, and it'll give you some additional ideas. Copy and paste everything into a Google Doc so you have it safe and you can edit it and tweak it the way you want. I'd recommend aiming to draft a script around 1,500 words using ChatGPT, then customize it the way you want for a unique touch. I love how ChatGPT streamlines the script writing process. It saves so much time. It's crazy. Now, once we've written our script, let's get the voiceover. This part is really important. Many people make the mistake of using fake-sounding voiceover tools, which is not only annoying, but can even get your channel banned on YouTube. People always ask me how I make my voiceovers sound good, and the secret is using ElevenLabs. It's the best tool right now for making natural-sounding voiceovers. You should definitely sign up for free and try it out with the free plan first. If you want the best voices, there's a subscription fee. I usually go for the creator plan, which costs only $11 a month. With that plan, you get 100,000 characters with AI voices. Trust me, if you're making good content, you're likely to make some money, especially if your audience likes your voiceover. But if you're on a tight budget, ElevenLabs has a free plan. It gives you up to 10,000 characters every month, which is great for starting out. Now, let's find the perfect voice. Go to the voice library and check out the narrative and storytelling category. Listen to a few samples before choosing. Once you've found a voice you like, add it to your voice lab. The next step is easy. Go to your voice lab, select the voice you added, and click Use. You don't need to mess with any complicated settings. Then, grab your script from Google Docs, copy it, and paste it into the text box in 11 Labs. Finally, click Generate, and you're all set to have a professional-sounding voiceover for your video. It's as simple as that. Now that we have our script and voiceover ready, let's move on to the next exciting part: finding awesome stock footage to make our video pop. It's really simple to find what we need. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay are perfect for this. Just type in what you're looking for, and you'll find a ton of videos to choose from. And the best part is that they're all free and available to use, so you don't need to worry about copyright problems. Once we've picked out a few videos for our project, we'll be all set for the next step. Now it's time to edit our video, and for that, I recommend CapCut. It's one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly video editors out there. Now, head to your CapCut dashboard and load up all the files we've prepared. Then, drag the voiceover onto our timeline. Listen carefully to each part of the voiceover and choose the perfect clip for each section. Once you've made your selections, add them to the timeline. It might take a bit of time, but trust me, it'll be worth it. But we're not just matching up clips and voiceovers here. We want to make our video stand out. Let's add some cool transitions to spice things up. Go to the Transitions menu and pick the ones that catch your eye. There's no strict rule here, so feel free to experiment and choose what works best for your video. Now let's talk about filters. Filters can really change the feel of your video. Try out different ones and apply them to individual clips or to the entire video. Here's a pro tip: subtitles are key, especially if you want your audience to follow along easily. CapCut makes it easy. Just select the text option, choose Auto Caption, pick the language you need, and there you go. Captions are done. Adding the right background music to your videos is really important. It can make your video shine, but picking the wrong one can turn viewers away. If you're using CapCut, adding music is easy. Just go to the music section, listen to the options, and choose the one that fits your video best. I recommend trying out different editing styles, especially when you're starting. Once you find what works best and see which videos people like most, you can stick to that style. This makes your channel unique and saves you time in the long run. After you've made your documentary-style video, upload it to your YouTube channel. Write a catchy title with ChatGPT's help. You can also create a thumbnail using Canva's free templates. In the video description, write a bit about what it's about and use hashtags to help more people find it. Then, keep going. If you're just starting, aim for one video a week. It might take some time at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can easily make 4 videos in a day, enough for a whole month. Keep at it, get monetized, and you could start making hundreds of dollars a day with YouTube automation. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more like this.